Hello and welcome to the Eugene Torta YouTube channel. Please go down there, hit the subscription button. I'm trying to grow the channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification, share with your friends, hit like. This is just a short follow-up video to the carpet install that I've been doing. I'll leave links up there to the carpet video. I'll leave another link up here somewhere to the about this car if you're not familiar with it. And I'm going to try and not move this camera around as much. I'll try and put it in a fixed position, and I'll show where I'm at. I had a request from a viewer to do that. So here we are. We're back in the cargo area. And I'm pretty much done with this cargo area. You can see I got these latches in. I filled in here and here where these V-cuts were. Everyone that does these installs complains about these V-cuts. So this area here I got all in. This wasn't glued on the original one. It was just in there, and it's just being held in place with these latches. I may glue it at a later time. I plan on setting this out in the sun as soon as we get some sunny weather, and that should help everything settle. And I'm real happy with it. I did already get it dirty, so I have to clean it. And then there's this area here. It's still got that bow in it. All of them, everyone I've seen has that bow. I did reduce it a lot better than I've seen on other ones. Once I think this sits out in the sun and everything heats up and settles, it'll probably be even better. You might see like waves in here. And I've seen that when I videoed my last video. That's actually from the light, trick of the light. I'll show you where I'm at. I did clean up the speaker covers, the driver's side, as you can see, which would sit in there like that. You can see it's pretty beat up and just didn't clean up. Not as good as the passenger side. And the passenger side cleaned up really good. But I'm still ordering regular speaker material for these. Speaker cloth that goes designed to go over speakers, and that's what I'm going to recover them with. But I did get the sill covers done. They're done. And of course I still need to bolt the speaker covers on. I can't do that until the material gets here, which is on a slow boat from China. I didn't realize that when I ordered them. I got underneath the kick panels and both sides, driver and passenger. And I still need to do the doors. I could probably just clean these up and they'd probably look good. They actually don't look too bad. But I'm going to go ahead and redo them. I don't know, I feel like I'm cheating if I don't. And these door panels do need to be totally removed to do that, at least in my opinion. I don't see how you could do it without it. But I'll have to say this, like when I did these, those kick panels and these sill covers, each one of those pieces probably took me about 2 hours, believe it or not. And like when I did the sill cover, I did the driver's side first, and that took me 2 hours. When I did the passenger side, it took me about an hour because I got more experience with it. It's a really big piece of molded cloth. It's way more material than you need, and there's a lot of cutting and fitting and stretching, and I took an iron to it to help flatten it out and stuff like that. Other things I need to do that I think I mentioned in one of my other videos is I still need to fill in, like here when I did my seats I think it was like a year ago, last year. I want to put more foam in this area and sort of like build that out. I also want to refit the leather cover on the center console lid, make that a little bit better. And let me get over to the other side. And the radio, if you can see it or not, I want to move it over about 1/8 inch and then tilt it out more. And I'm going to move around, refinish this piece here, and I'm going to add a button for the antenna delete and a little output, USB power output for powering USB devices and stuff like that. And that is it. The interior will be done as far as I'm concerned. Of course, there's always things I'll probably add and change in the future. I'm always adding and changing stuff. So, one other thing I need to do, I did repair the floors, fiberglass repair to the floors. So I do need to jack the car up, get under there, and coat those areas that are repaired with some undercoating. Now it's raining out today. I was planning on going to a car show, and it doesn't look like the rain's going to clear up. It looks like it's going to just stay rainy all day. Also, that halo that was falling apart, I did reinstall it. It does still have the cracks in it. I do have a lead on a better one. It's down in Pottstown. Maybe I'll drive down there today. Maybe I'll even take the Corvette out in the rain. It doesn't bother me to go out in the rain with the Corvette. It's just cleaning it up afterwards. And I did try filling in this corner here. I don't know if you've seen that in my last video. The big gaping corner here. I filled it in with some Right Stuff. And I actually put some cellophane plastic on this corner here and wrapped it around it and closed it. I was hoping that would mold in better, so I'm going to have to add some more Right Stuff and put that cellophane back on here and then close it and let it sit overnight, and hopefully it'll mold to this a little bit better and look a little bit more professional. But that's where I'm at. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope you find it helpful. Leave comments below. Like I said, if you have any questions, I did have a viewer ask about removing the rear carpet if it was glued. They do not, at least mine wasn't glued, and as far as I know, none of them are. They are held in the corners with Velcro, and these latches, of course, have to come off. And then underneath this cover here, you have to remove this cover. You have to loosen up all the screws on these side covers, then all these screws, then pop it out. And underneath you'll find these little star washers. There's holes in the carpet that go over these bolts. There should be, on mine there was 4 of them. Just go remove those star washers. I just took a screwdriver and spun them around and off they came. That's all it is to remove that rear carpet. It's actually, the most difficult thing is probably finagling with those latches. And of course getting the trim pieces off. But it's not a bad job if you want to remove that to clean it or do something with it. So, like I said, I hope everyone enjoyed, found the video helpful. I want everybody to have a really great day, and God bless. Thanks for watching.